Hey everyone, so it's time for another little mini beauty haul. Today the haul is from Rimmel, London, and what it is, it's called the ink stamp tattoo, and I saw these at a drugstore one day and I just had to have them. They were right up my alley, and at first I thought they were like ripping off Kat Von D because this looks very much like a product she would have, but I found out she does not have this product. She does have an eyeliner called Tattoo, but I bet you she's thinking, wow, why didn't I put that out? Because she actually has tattoos of little stars around her eye. So anyway, I really wanted these Ink Me tattoo stamps, and they come in 4 shapes: a moon, a star, a heart, and a diamond. And all they had was the diamond, and I really like stars. As you can see, that's part of my branding, so I wanted the star, and I also love hearts, so I really wanted those two. And my daughter wanted the moon, so instead of going to, you know, drugstore after drugstore trying to find these, I said, well, let me look online and see if I can find the ones that I want. And I hit the jackpot. I looked on eBay, and this woman was selling the entire set, all the shapes, and a sheet of metallic tattoos. And they were like $7 each. And that was a great deal because that's what they retail for in the store. And a lot of people were selling them for like $12 each, $15 each. So I got like this whole set. The 4 stamps and the tattoos for, actually I think she only charged me like $28, which is even better. So without further ado, so you know, my daughter cannot wait to tear into these, so she already opened the moon, and then I opened the star, and I used it to do pinup beauty tutorial, so check that out. But anyway, there they are. I'll do the heart since I opened the other ones. And let's see, let's read the directions. It says, express your inner tattoo artist. Intense black ink stamps to decorate face and body. On-trend heart, moon, star, and diamond shapes to amp up your festival wardrobe. So I guess they put this out for Coachella, but you know, Burning Man's coming up too, so it'd be great for that. Let's see, personalize your design with Ink Me eye and body liners and Ink Me metallic sticker tattoos. Oh, I forgot to show you those. Those are these. There, you can kind of see they're really like bohemian paisley mandala type designs. And then on the back there's like some stars and some of those Aztec looking arrows, a lot of stars, very cool. So okay, back to the directions. So intense color lasts all day and night, easy to use and wash off. Dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. Instructions: gently press stamp directly onto dry skin and lift immediately. Store tip down for optimum ink flow. Avoid eye area. Well, I kind of did put it in my eye area, but you know what they mean. So okay, let's try out the heart, and I think I will make a beauty mark with that, like the classic. And I really love beauty marks. I actually have one. I have one on the side of my nose. But I always wanted one in the classic place, like here or here. And at one time I did consider getting a tattoo beauty mark, but now with these I don't have to. So this is the star. Oh, and did you also know, like in the days of Marie Antoinette, they wore beauty marks, and they would like communicate things by the beauty marks and where they were. So that's fascinating. All right, so here's my little heart. Let me make sure I have it up the right way, and I think, let's see, I'll put it on the opposite side of my star. So I don't want it in my smile line. I put it right above there. Okay, look. Chink. Isn't that cute? I got a little bit off center, but you get the general idea. So These are really selling out fast, so if you like the idea, go and look for them. If you're on the West Coast, they had them at Rite Aid. They probably have them at CVS, Target, I don't know. And if you are too lazy or just can't find them, hop online and maybe you can get lucky like me. So that's it for now, guys. See you next time. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.